most snake bites occur. Eyewitness News reporter Ruta Beja-Bossi tells us about some special training to keep man's best friend safe.
You've heard the warning about poisonous rattlesnakes and you know to avoid them, but sometimes it's your best friend who's at risk. That's why Yorba Linda Regional Animal Hospital is hosting these rattlesnake avoidance classes.
I get calls from people saying, I don't know what I'm going to do. There's snakes everywhere.
Dogs being bitten by rattlesnakes are a huge problem in Southern California because they're so pervasive and they're so well hidden. In fact, the clinic has had nearly 30 rattlesnake bites in dogs in the past year alone.
So I do some of the emergency work and have seen a lot of rattlesnake bites, and we live up in the hills, so personally, I was worried about these guys.
Richard Andrews teaches the course, which usually takes less than an hour. He puts a shock collar on the dogs and then lets them find snakes hidden in the brush. After a while, this is their learned reaction.
He heard the snake and smelled the snake and felt a pain, a brief pain, and he said, I don't want any part of that.
I actually thought he would probably be wanting to go around playing with them, and I was very surprised how scared he got pretty quickly after the first introduction to them.
If a little dog that's so-called uninformed runs across a small snake, he doesn't see him as a threat. You know, and then the next thing you know, he's bitten the nose.
And every time a canine walks away with a new skill, there's a sigh of relief from its owner.
It protects us as well because we know if they smell something that we should be cautious because there could be something that in the areas we're walking around as well.
In Anaheim, Ruta Beja-Bossi, ABC 7 Eyewitness News.
Well, you have to give a quick shout out to Ruta Bay. That's her shooting this story. She shoots all her own stuff. She got up close and personal with those rattlesnakes. Can you believe her? Ruta Bay, she is one great woman. Look at her.
And yes, something, by the way, you should not do at home.
Well, that's true.
Yeah, something
Don't
we
try this
should
at home.
Do not do this because it can have really bad results.